Guys, listen up. See, I want to say something. You see, very dark man. Honestly, that guy is a force. Nke basically, that guy na better force. No be. Nke abro ekupanti efu. See, let me tell you guys something. You saw what that House of Rep member did, right, to a boat driver. You saw what the person did, right? Honestly, that thing was not something to write him about at all. And then I must tell you that the House member, right, has apologized to we Nigerians. Honestly, when I saw the video this morning, I was like, "Whoa, are you serious? This dark man can really shake this guy." The same House of Assembly member, sorry, the same House of Rep member, right, where they invite this guy, Abi. Now, then, don't they shiver based on what the grace where this guy carry? Honestly, whoever would invest for that man, that person no want Niger to better at all. That person not just want Niger to better at all. You get? Guy, we should at least give this guy our main support. Yes, for him to do his thing because he does it well. This guy is a force. A whole lot of assembly member don't apologize to we Nigerians, man. First in history. Has it ever happened? It has never happened anywhere. I must tell you guys that we need to, put our resources and strength right together. Let us have very, very dark black man, in every state in Nigeria. You get me? Let us be able to be checking, the actions of our leaders. Yes, because these guys, what they are doing to commoners in the streets, honestly, what they are doing to commoners, man, in the street, one day, there'll be something to what write them about. Them they do people anyhow. Them they talk down on people. They will just bully you. They can even use their security personnel, man, to deal with you, and you will do nothing. You get me? If to be say this boat guy come, video everything and post it online, man, honestly, this fair annually should have just gone scot free. Should have gone scot free. It was here in Eku. But now, thank God, have you guys seen the power of what social media? You get me? Where you they form? Where you they form? No, just allow that person to video you. The guy get the guts to say, I call the IG. The IG cannot do anything. Do you see? Despite IG's position. Well, do I blame the man? Of course, no. Because IG of police, where are they? Them they eat bribe, them they take bribe. Yes, now. If not, what gives that guy the guts to talk like that? Because he knows that when IG wants to put body, he can easily send IG 10 million naira. Yes, now. That's very important. In this Nigeria, if to say things are being done well, honestly, I don't think that we will be, complaining. But we are complaining because, honestly, things are not done well. You get me? Things are not done rightly, honestly. And I even wonder the people where put this kind of guy, this kind of Anyale, as a house, of rep member. You get me? In fact, that constituency in Abia State has to get this guy recalled, right? Let us, arrange a by-election. You get me? To fill, the vacant. What is all this? Please, Nigeria, now our country. You get me? Nigeria is not for one person, but for us all. Dark man, na man you be. You get me? In fact, for social media, you are the president. No be all that bigger content creators, man, are loyal to you. Right? Do your thing well. You get me? Do your thing well. We dare your back. You want to go China, Kaiko. I rest my case.